Hello everybody, welcome to my next unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing the Google Nest Hub. This here is the 7-inch display and it's the second generation. Google currently has another Nest Hub, but it's a larger version. It's around 10 to 12 inches in screen size. But this 7-inch display has all of the touchscreen capabilities, has a speaker in it, and the sensors. So you can control your lights, TV, music, video, subscriptions, set alarms, anything you can think of. Has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Thread works with Android and iOS, and it has a Chromecast built in. So you can watch movies on there too while you're in the kitchen, or you can have recipes populate. Subscription service required, sold separately. Help in any room. Here's some other examples of what it can do. Play some music, play Netflix, turn on lights, show me the front door camera, broadcast at dinner time, wake me up at 7 a.m. to jazz music. You have YouTube, YouTube Music, Google Photos, Google Maps, Calendar, Netflix, Disney, Plus, Spotify, Philips, light bulbs, or anything that runs off Philips, GE, General Electric, and thousands of other options. Here's this side, and here's the top. Let's get opening. So let's find a nice place here. Okay, let's open this up. All right. Get this plastic off here. Okay, slide this open. So nothing in this top part of the box. So right off the bat, you have the screen and the device itself. So let's pull this out of here. It's not as bulky as I thought it'd be. This is pretty sleek. I like it. Nice and small. Wow. So let's put that to the side for now. Let's find out what else is in the box. It's just cardboard here. Let's get started. So you have some information about turning it on, power, some example command lines, things like that. Next, you have another box on the inside. Looks like this is for power. Has your power cable. How do we open this? Just like that? Yep, just like this. Okay. Here is the power cable. And this power cable is not USB-C like I thought it would be. Appears to be, what is the voltage on this? 100-240 volt. Okay. So this is not your typical plug-in USB-C, micro USB. So make sure you don't lose this. Keep it plugged in all times. And it has that silky rubber feel on it, and it's just white color. So it has a good distance. Looks like it's probably 3 to 6 feet in length. Anything else in the box? Anything else? Nothing here, nothing on this side. And that's it. Now to the device itself. So here is the top, this side. Here is the left side. And here is the bottom. So the bottom is rubber. So it will stay in one spot very well, especially if you're poking at it, using it as a touch screen. You're definitely going to want that grip so it doesn't move around constantly. Next, on the back, you have appears to be a fabric material that wraps all the way around the base and the back side. And I'm assuming the speaker is hidden within this mesh fabric. You have the power port on the back as well. You also have a little toggle switch up here. I'm assuming this is for the microphone, just like on all the other Google Home devices. If you don't want the speaker to constantly listen for you, or if you want private conversation, just toggle that switch. You have a button here on the side. Feels like there's an up, a middle, and a down. So I'm thinking that's for volume. I could be wrong. And on the front, you have some sensors here. Looks like they might be microphones as well. And that is it. This is the Google Nest Hub, the 7-inch display. It's got a little bit of weight to it, weighs a couple pounds. Touchscreen again, nice and thin, and won't take up that much room on your countertops or your desk, anywhere, your nightstand, wherever you want to put it. Let's take this screen protector off here. Nice feel to the touchscreen. It's gonna be easy to use and navigate with. And that is all. If you have any questions, comments, please leave it down below in the comment section. Please subscribe, like, and follow for additional videos. Thanks for watching.